Hello friends, once again welcome to Math Master. The topic that we are going to cover today is parallel combination of resistor, chapter 12, electricity of standard 10th. In the last video, we explained to you the series combination of resistor, and this time it's about parallel combination. Now students, as you all can see in this circuit, that these three resistors R1, R2, R3, these three resistors are not connected end to end. I repeat, ये तीनों resistors end to end connected नहीं हैं. अगर आप इनको ध्यान से देखें तो ये तीनों resistors connected हैं with 2 points X and Y. Please check. These three resistors are connected to the 2 points X and Y, and hence we call it a parallel combination. If you see the definition, when two or more resistors are connected simultaneously between 2 points, then they form a parallel combination. So all these three resistors are in parallel combination. Confirm? One more thing students, you find out that the two ends of R1, resistor R1 के जो दो ends हैं, they are directly connected to battery. Resistor R2 के दो ends, they are directly connected to battery. और resistor R3 के दो ends, they are also directly connected to battery. In short, all the three resistors are directly connected to battery, and so we say that it is parallel combination. And because all the three of them are directly connected to battery, the potential difference जो बैटरी का होगा वही इन तीन resistors का भी होगा. It means that the potential difference across each resistor is same in parallel combination. What remains same? The potential difference across each resistor remains the same in parallel combination. So today I am going to teach you how to find the formula of equivalent resistance in case of parallel combination of resistor. Ready? Fine. So first, after writing down the definition and after drawing the circuit, here we have three resistors R1, R2, R3. We have three resistors R1, R2 and R3. They are connected in series. I'm sorry, parallel. By mistake I said series. They are connected in parallel with a battery having voltage V. The current flowing is I, as shown in figure, as shown in the circuit, or you can write figure. Right? Now, as I have already told you that in parallel connection, what remains the same? The potential difference. The potential difference across each resistor is same. And how much it is? V. Right? Now the potential difference V, now we all know according to Ohm's law that current depends on potential difference. So the potential difference V produces current. Now the current in all the three resistors differ. Right? तीनों resistors में current different जाएगा. तो जो R1 है, मान लो उसमें करंट I1, R2 का करंट इज I2, and the resistor R3, its current is I3. So the potential difference V produces current I1 in resistor R1, I2 in resistor R2, and I3 in resistor R3. Right? And yes, already you must be knowing that जो करंट बैटरी में से निकलता है इट इज I, and this current I further divides into I1, I2 and I3. So I is nothing but I1 plus I2 plus I3. Let us give this as equation number 1. I repeat, the total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So if we apply Ohm's law on the first resistor, जो पहला रेजिस्टर है ना उस पर हम ओम्स लॉ अप्लाई करते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ V इक्वल टू आई आर, सबको पता है V इक्वल टू आई आर. सो I1 विल बी V अपॉन R1. इन द सेम वे I2 विल बी V अपॉन R2 and I3 will be V upon R3. Confirm? I1 is V upon R1, I2 is V upon R2 and I3 is V upon R3. अब assume that इसका जो equivalent resistance है that is R. So if R is the equivalent resistance, मैं R के नीचे P लगा देता हूँ because it is in parallel. So if Rp is equivalent resistance, then अगर हम ओम्स लॉ अप्लाई करें, so again V equal to IR, so I equal to V upon R. ठीक है, ये पूरे सर्किट का हो गया. और ये जो I1, I2, I3 है ना, this is for individual resistor where I stands for the total current. अब इनकी वैल्यूज I1, I2, I3 और I की वैल्यूज हम पुट अप करते हैं इक्वेशन 1 में. सो देखो इक्वेशन 1 में पहले क्या है I की वैल्यू क्या है V अपॉन RP. फिर I1, व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ I1? V अपॉन R1. I2 इज V अपॉन R2 एंड I3 इज V अपॉन R3. ठीक है, कहां से आया ये? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. नाउ लेट अस कैंसल V फ्रॉम ऑल बिकॉज एज यू ऑल नो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कांस्टेंट है. सो कैंसलिंग V फ्रॉम ऑल द टर्म्स, आई गेट 1 अपॉन R इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन R1 प्लस 1 अपॉन R2 प्लस 1 अपॉन R3. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड equivalent resistance in case of parallel connection. This is the formula to find equivalent resistance in case of parallel connection. अब इसको आप ध्यान से देखिए. अगर हम इसे if you want to make a statement out of this, then we can say that the reciprocal of equivalent resistance 1 upon RP मतलब the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of reciprocal of individual resistance. So here I have written the same statement which I spoke. The reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of reciprocal of individual resistance. So students, here I complete this topic. As I told you, it is parallel combination of resistor. So here there are 3 resistors which are connected between 2 points X and Y. इन सभी रेजिस्टर्स में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज सेम, दैट इज V. सपोज द करंट फ्लोइंग इन R1 इज I1, in R2 is I2, in R3 is I3 and the total current I is I1 plus I2 plus I3. सब में हमने ओम्स लॉ अप्लाई किया है. इफ वी अप्लाई ओम्स लॉ इन I1, then I1 is V upon R1, I2 is V upon R2, I3 is V upon R3 and the total circuit current I is V upon R. R stands for equivalent resistance. इन सब की वैल्यूज हमने पुट की है इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में. फिर हमने V कैंसिल कर दिया है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिकॉज इट इज कांस्टेंट एंड द फाइनल फॉर्मूला दैट वी गेट इज 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Yes students, I hope you are getting comfortable in understanding all these videos. Thanks for watching this video. Do clear this concept and have a habit of writing out the answers at least twice so that everything properly fits in your mind. We will meet you soon with yet another video. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.